Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie Kratz with Stephanie Kratz Interiors, and I'm here with Laura Beth Mimtaz. She's our junior designer, and we are in our office studio today, and we wanted to walk you through one of our new amazing projects that we're working on. This is a full renovation and then also full furnishing plan all the way through. So when we do those plans, we break them down into two presentations for our clients. That way it's not so overwhelming, and we want to make sure that we always get the hard surfaces correct and we have the right color story moving forward for our furnishing plans. So this project is a little bit more out in the country. This is a modern organic feel for us, and one of the really great things that I love about this project is we actually are going to give them more floor space in their home. So more square footage overall by blowing out the patio and making that all part of the interior of the home. So first, let's kind of start in the kitchen area. So you can see we created this really soft color palette for them in their kitchen. We kept the same layout for their kitchen, other than we moved their pantry into the hallway back here because it's so close, and that gives them more surface, more area to work on in their kitchen. This was the mood board, the overall mood board, and then the actual materials. So this is a new release for a backsplash, and so it's actually dimensional. It has like this hand modeling texture to it, and then so we're just going to break the joint on that so it gives it this really great raised textural feel. We added a little wall covering on that back wall. This is our color for our cabinets, this magnetic gray, so again really soft. Just a little sneak peek at the wall window covering that's going to go in there, and then we do have some black touches that we did add in throughout as well. One area that we, again, where we had to extend that wall out, and we really blew that out. You can see that here. So these, we added all these great big windows on the back of this home, which really created almost like two separate living room areas for them. So these are all the windows. So their fireplace was a main structure in the house, so that's going to stay in the home, but it created these two spaces for us. And then talk them through how we added in that space then for the dining area and then the fireplace structure.
So we obviously had a lot of square footage that we needed to fill up, and the first concern that we needed to address was sound absorption. So we added in these acoustic wall panels in some different spots. Let's kind of get an idea of what that looks like around the fireplace, and actually it wraps around on that wall too, so that way when somebody's watching TV or playing, it's a little bit quieter, and then it just adds a really beautiful textural touch into the space. Then we had a really long wall. As Stephanie said, we kind of had to break it up into different areas. So this is going to be their dining area right here, and then a seating area. So she broke that up into two spots so that it kind of flowed a little better and it wasn't just a vast empty space. We wanted this to look kind of like a piece of furniture. So we have drawers on the bottom and then glass fronts at the top with a countertop in between for serving, and this really beautiful textural wall covering. Yes,
you know how we love them.
That's right. And then we actually added a little bit of gold in here with our hardware, again to make it look and feel more like a piece of furniture, kind of break it up from the cabinetry that's in the kitchen and the pantry.
Talk them through the so two bathrooms in this home, hallway bathroom, kind of that main bathroom, and then the primary bathroom. So this was the hallway bathroom.
This was their hallway bathroom, and we wanted to keep it light and soft, so we chose this gorgeous wall covering here and kind of get a feel for the colors. It's flows from the color story
Cohesive,
from the
yeah.
kitchen area, and also this dimensional tile here. It has a mix of matte and gloss, and
then,
laid
yeah.
vertically.
Yeah, so that can be laid both ways.
Yes.
But we're actually going to do it.
Just to
Vertical.
elongate it and give it a
Make
nice...
those ceilings feel a little bit higher in there because the ceilings are about 8 feet, 9 feet, 8.5 feet in this
Not
home.
super tall.
So we're going to help elongate those a little bit.
Mhm.
And then moving into the master bedroom, the primary bedroom. So we're going to add this really great wall covering in here on the focal wall. You can see that here. And then this just kind of lays that groundwork for our furnishing plans of where we're going next in this home. But again, really soft, bright, keep it light, very soft and cohesive. And then moving in through the primary bathroom, we actually took out the tub in there. And then there was this real great symmetrical center space in there. So we're gonna raise up that window, take that window out, replace it with a linear window here, and then create the shower just in that center area. So as you come into the room, that will really be the focal for this bathroom. And then beautiful tiles that we're using, all of these great beautiful tones with the golds, the taupes, the creams, the warmth in there. And then 2 his and her vanities. Again, kind of breaking up the shapes in here, adding in some circular mirrors. Those mirrors actually help to make the space feel bigger. Don't be afraid of those round mirrors. They really give you different shape in those rooms, and actually a lot of times I hear people are like, well, I'm not gonna have as much, space to see myself, but it actually makes it bigger. It makes that space feel bigger with that roundness in there. And then we did introduce a little bit of this soft blue tone in the laundry room. And then this is which one is that, Laura Beth? Over here.
This was the floor for this same bathroom, so we kept it soft. There's a little bit of veining in this, but just bringing in those same kind of taupes and a little bit of that gold color in there with the cream as well.
And then this is our floor, our main floor in there. So again, those brighter, softer, kind of more neutral tones in the floors. That we're seeing a lot of those right now. And then our main colors throughout for our walls and our trims and all of that. And then, Laura Beth, drum roll please. Da, 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 da. So we haven't presented the furnishings to the client yet. We're actually doing that tomorrow. But we just kind of wanted to give you a quick little sneak peek of what that is going to look like. So, again, real modern, organic feel. You see the touches of black throughout. And this kind of helps you see how this space, where we have the fireplace and that structural there, but it helps divide up our 2 seating areas here. Big back windows. Just really great show.
Another
Can you show
seating
the
area
back of
here.
that? Yeah. So, just a quick little sneak peek. Don't show too much.
Not too much.
That'll be coming. But thank you all, and you all have a beautiful day. Happy hump day, and try and stay dry out there with this weather rolling in.